I have right here a microphone stand from NEEWER. This is the MS007 model, a low profile mic boom, and let's unbox it. Here is the very first initial section, the subsequent second portion, and finally the concluding third part. Right here we have various screws, metal keys, and several different organizing elements. And right here we have the manual, and that's everything in the box. This is for organizing the cables so they don't hang everywhere, they stay close to this arm. Here we have an adapter between a large and a small screw. Here we have another adapter between those two screws, and we have two keys. And the assembly is really simple. This part we mount on the desk. Next we mount this on top of this and this on top of this. So let's mount it. Let's mount it a little bit to the side. The first part is screwed in. Let's put on the second part. And right on top of the unit, we can easily mount this adjustable arm. And it's ready. Finally, at the end of the assembly, we have this ball end that we can rotate, and there is also this small screw located right on top. Depending on what type of mounting your microphone has, you can put this adapter or the big one on top and mount your microphone. Right here I have the NEEWER UM01 microphone. Let's try mounting it on this arm. So let's unscrew the default stand. I can see that this adapter will fit well. Now let's carefully screw it in and then screw it right on top. And now you can adjust the microphone however you like. You can easily put it right over to the side. You could also choose to put it like this directly in the front, or perhaps way in the back, or even completely upside down if you prefer. It's really universal. For example, let's mount it in the front. So it's mounted securely like this, and this sturdy adjustable arm is really useful because when you're using the microphone for recording, you can easily position it right next to your face to ensure you get the crispest and most professional audio quality possible. But when you don't need the microphone, you can rotate it to the side and you'll have more free space on the desk in front of you. And the arm is quite long, so you have a wide range where you can place the microphone and use it. I could easily rotate it all the way to the other side of the desk and talk from there. And I can really quite easily adjust the exact position of this microphone depending on where you choose to mount the stand and where you specifically want to use it. And additionally, you can rotate it right here at the base to position the microphone much lower or significantly higher to suit your needs. This level of flexibility ensures that you can always find the perfect angle for your voice, no matter how your workspace is set up or how you prefer to sit while you are recording your audio. And right here on the very bottom, we have these specialized integrated channels for the cable. So when I carefully connect the cable to the microphone, I can easily and securely place it inside these dedicated routing channels. You don't have to unplug the cable, you can insert it while it's still connected. The lower arm also has the same channels and the cable is hidden from view. And if you need, you can use those organizers to better secure the cable closer to the computer. And if you need to adjust this arm, here we have these two keys. So for example, if you want to change how hard it is to move it up and down, you can adjust it by tightening or loosening the screw right here. So it's a useful arm for the microphone. It's universal, so you can use it with any microphone that has this screw mount, and it's nice that you can just rotate it out of the way. And when you need it, you can just bring it back in front of you, or move it further away if you want, or lower or raise it depending on your setup and preferences. You can just adjust it to have the microphone in the perfect position for you. And when you don't need it, you just move it to the side and it doesn't take up space in front of you. And that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and be nice.